Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the image and you're ready to add type. Start by selecting the Type tool T and click once where the copy should sit. Choose a font, size, color, and alignment in the options bar. This sets visual hierarchy early. Once done, press Enter to commit text and check that a new type layer appears in Layers. Make sure to name that layer so you can identify it quickly. This saves time when you edit later. Now refine the text. Use Move V to place it, then free transform Ctrl or CMD plus T to scale or rotate while holding Shift for constrained scaling if needed. Open the character and paragraph panels to tweak tracking, leading, and justification. These control legibility and spacing. If you want effects, add layer styles like drop, shadow, or stroke. Use warp text for shape. Keep the layer. To finish, save a PSD to retain editable type layers and export a PNG or JPEG for delivery. If you'll share files, embed fonts or convert text to outlines to avoid substitution on other machines. Rasterize the layer only when you need pixel-level edits, otherwise keep it live. If something looks off, letters missing, wrong font, or odd color, check font embedding, layer order, blending modes, and layer opacity. Those are the usual culprits, and easy to fix fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.